a bullet. Just a casing there. Some brass. Oh yeah. Both of us are on good targets right now.
It fades out when I twist on it though.
Oh, it does?
Yeah.
Piece of lead right there. See it? Big hunk of lead. We're on the banks of the Willamette River here in Independence, Oregon, at the park, the Riverview Park, or the River something park. We've been finding a lot of lead. I found a few coins. He found a few coins too. Iron for sure. Boy, really? Come on. It's over here, on this side of the rock here. Okay. Yeah. It's not gonna be deep. Oh, it's a Roman coin, dude. It's Roman, man.
Oh, you're right. It is. Look at that funny writing.
You can't tell the shape of it. It's Roman, man.
Well, and I can't read it.
Really?
Yeah.
So, if I put it in this part of my bag, what do you think it is? Garbage. It's not a Roman coin. If I had a Roman coin, I would be not sticking it in that part of my bag.
If you found a flat Roman coin here, man.
You know what goes in that part of the bag? This kind of stuff.
The only way it would get here is if someone dropped it. Oh, wait.
Yeah, 500 years ago.
Even in Rome, that's how it got there too, huh?
Yep. Oh yeah. Try it, dude. Little target there.
Bumping. Silent. Bumping.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. I'm still gonna get out though. These irony rocks really mess with tones. Big time, dude.
That's true.
You just gotta dig them out.
Very true.
You just gotta dig them out right there. There.
What'd you get?
Oh, it just broke. I just broke it.
Was it that bad?
Was
it a coin? It was so bad.
It was a coin. I just broke it.
Oh, it is.
You can see the memorial right there, dude.
You're right. That is bad.
Oh my gosh, I can see the memorial right there, dude.
I thought
that is crazy.
You might have the. You might be the winner.
There's a magnet
when it comes
there.
to that.
See?
Destroyed coins, you know.
You listen to it right here.
That's pretty bad. I don't think I've seen one like that before.
So what do zincs read up at? Let's see what they read up at. Oh. They read up at 69. Yeah.
Have you tried balancing this?
No, ground balancing, no.
Not even, no point in it. Huh?
Yeah. It'll just mess your detector up really bad trying to ground balance in these hot rocks here. They're irony rocks here. And try to see if I can. Here's one that's been broken recently, right here. Right there, see the iron inside of it? Here's another one. All of these rocks are like this. If I break up any of these, most of these rocks are just irony rocks. You break them open and there's just iron inside. All right, just irony rocks.
I really don't think I've ever seen a penny that in that bad of shape.
Right.
I mean, you barely pressed on it and it just started crumbling.
Here's another broken rock here, iron inside. All right. Oh yeah, screamer. Sounds kind of weird, huh?
Isn't it? I wonder if it's that rock.
No, it's something under the rock. The rock is distorting the tone. Pull her off. No, it's here. Oh, yeah, it's right there. I see it. Nope. Should be right there. Oh, pull tab. Pull tab. Under rock, man. These rocks just really distort the tones, man.
I smell smoke now.
I smell smoke too, yeah. I think they're having a fire over there, yeah. Just show you here, see? Irony rock, right there. Irony rock. Irony rock. Irony rock inside. Irony rock inside. This one sounds really iffy, but I am going to go for it. Sounds like a nail. Could very well be a nail, but could be something small too. Under these irony rocks here. Right there. Piece of lead. Right there, see that? You listen to it now. Listen to it. Right. It wasn't very deep. Right. These rocks really distort the tones.
There's a hot rock.
There's a very hard rock, a black rock. See if I can find a hot rock over here somewhere. No.
This environment's pretty hostile.
Yeah. Oh, screamer. Oh yeah. Sounds awesome, dude. Oh.
Iron.
Right. Dime. Right there. Yeah. These rocks here that are broken. It's iron. Red. Iron oxide rocks.
So this is interesting.
Uh-huh.
So you hear that?
Uh-huh.
That's not under the coil.
Oh, it's a hot rock. Yeah.
And now as I go down here like this, it starts going away. Oh, now I'm getting that bumping tone.
Oh, yeah.
So it's iron pulsing at the edge of the coil.
Yeah, yeah. See, this is a hot rock right here. Right here. Hot rock.
Is that pretty normal for all detectors?
Yeah.
For iron to pulse at the edge?
Yeah. This one was a... This one was a really iffy tone here. Of course, these freaking hot rocks are going to screw with me too. Crap, I just lost it. Just dropped it again. I had it. It's a nail right there. It's a nail. Yeah, it just falls on a nail there. Kind of had a feeling it sounded like a nail. So.
What's going on here?
Scrammer. Iron. Right here. This sounded kind of irony. But you gotta dig these targets up, man. It's a ball cap. Right there.
There's gotta be something in here.
Yeah, it's right there.
I see it.
On its edge, yep. A coin. Yeah. Iron. This one sounds irony. I'm still gonna dig it up though. There's just so many irony rocks here. Right, you look at it, just irony rock after irony rock after irony rock. Really makes the target sound very irony. So it's a nail. It's a screw. That's what it was.
Are you having fun?
Yeah. Always.
I kind of think you need it. For me, I like to do stuff like this.
Uh-huh.
I wouldn't want to do it all the time.
Oh, hell no.
But I learn from it.
Uh-huh. Yeah. A spot like this really teaches you how much irony rocks and just iron in the soil just mask targets, man.
Yeah, or just the edge, like the iron falsing on the edge. I mean,
Yeah.
so much, I never think about that.
Uh-huh.
You just don't have those types of conditions in the parks.
Yeah.
Well, not most of them you don't. Some of them you do, but
What do you think of this one right here? Sounds irony.
I would still check it because I think there's probably a coin in there. Based on what we've done so far, that would be, there's probably a coin there.
Yeah, listen to the detector over here. Listen to this. Yeah, just really hard spot to detect right here.
Would you
Oh,
guess
clay.
there's a coin there?
Green clay.
Think there's a coin
It sounds like a coin, yeah.
Yeah, that's what I think too. But that's based off of your experience picking here so far.
Yep. But
Doesn't sound like that was hard.
green clay right here. See the green clay?
Yeah,
irony
you have
clay.
to go into that.
Yeah. Just nod into it. Just nod into it. Right. You want to dig it out?
I don't think you've moved it.
No.
So-
Oh no, it's deep.
So I would.
That's why I'm not gonna go.
abandon
Yeah, I'm not gonna go for it. It's just too deep. In there, that green clay.
it. Probably just iron.
Yeah. Another big target right here. Right, overload. It's an overload target right
What
there.
about this one?
Sounds like an overload too. Yeah, overload.
Oh,
No, it's good. It's good. I would dig that one out. Yeah.
Oh, I see it.
You see it? Yep, on its edge. A penny. On its edge.
What did it sound like? Flat. Oh, a little better tone, flat.
Yeah, look at these rocks here. Just irony. See this? These broken rocks are just show you really how much iron is in these rocks, man. There's another one right here. See this rock right there? There's a lot of broken rocks right in this area here. And thank you for watching.